Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Sintra AI, an AI-powered virtual assistant that promotes or promises to help busy entrepreneurs automate content creation, social media, and more. But is Sintra AI a legit tool or just another gimmick? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Sintra AI offers what feels like a virtual team working 24/7, handling content marketing, social media posts, and even course creation, all for just $38 a month. With over 5,000 reviews on Trustpilot averaging 4.6 stars, many users praise Sintra for saving time, increasing engagement, and providing great value for startups and solo founders. Some users highlight how Sintra helped them quickly launch online courses or manage their social media effortlessly. Others note a slight learning curve with formatting and setups, but overall remain satisfied with the results. Sintra AI seems to be a legitimate and effective virtual assistant tool, especially for busy professionals needing content automation. While not completely hands off and requiring some learning, it offers impressive ROI for its price point. Thanks for watching. Have you tried Sintra AI yet? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay productive out there.